Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps of replacing a lost or stolen Capital One debit card. It's a pretty straightforward process, so don't worry. We'll get you back to swiping and spending in no time. First things first, you'll want to immediately report your card as lost or stolen. The quickest way to do this is online, so head over to the Capital One website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the I Want to menu, or something similar, which is usually found near your account summary. Click on that, and you should see an option that says something like Report Lost or Stolen Card. Click on that option. Next, the website will likely walk you through a verification process. This might involve answering some security questions to confirm your identity, just to make sure it's really you reporting the card. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be presented with the option to report the specific debit card that's gone missing. Select the appropriate card and confirm that it is indeed lost or stolen. Once you confirm the lost or stolen status, Capital One will usually immediately block the card to prevent any unauthorized transactions. You'll also be given the option to request a replacement card. Go ahead and select that option. The website will then prompt you to confirm the address where you want your new card to be sent. Double-check that the address on file is correct, and if not, update it before proceeding. After confirming your address, you'll usually see an estimated delivery timeframe for your new card. Capital One typically sends replacement cards pretty quickly. Keep an eye on your mailbox. While you're waiting for your new card to arrive, you might be able to add your new virtual card to your digital wallet for mobile payments. Check your Capital One app to see if this option is available. This allows you to continue making purchases using your phone or other device while you wait for the physical card. And that's it. You've successfully reported your lost or stolen Capital One debit card and requested a replacement. Remember to activate your new card as soon as it arrives, following the instructions provided with the card. Keep a close watch on your account activity for any unauthorized transactions, and report anything suspicious immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.